Hafeez-ur-rahman. Well, in today's class, we will try to understand what is analysis of algorithm, how we do it, what is its advantage. So we will begin with the help of an example. In this program segment, you can see a simple program int I. Then we have a for loop beginning from 1 through 5, and then within the body of the for loop we are displaying the value of I, and then simply moving the cursor on the new line. So in order to do analysis, we construct two columns in front of the algorithm. For each of the statement, we construct two columns, one with the name cost and another one with the name times. Cost for each statement we set in this case as 1, 1. For each statement 1, 1, 1. By 1 we mean that each statement will take unit time from the CPU. Each statement will be executed in unit time, in 1 second or 1 milliseconds or 1 nanosecond. So it depends on the computer how much time a statement will take. But in this case, to make this calculation simple and easy, we say that each statement will take a unit time from the CPU. And in times column, because the first statement will be executed only for one time, this is not part of the loop, so it will be executed only for one time. Variable I will be declared only once within the execution of this program. And in analysis, where there is loop, for each of the statement of the loop we will use sigma. So for the for loop, the condition of the for loop, we will use sigma, and then for each of the statement within the body of the for loop we will use sigma. Now we have to set the index variable for sigma. We will take the same variable, loop counter variable I, for sigma as the index variable. So we will set I starting from, because I is beginning from 1 through, and it will be executed for 5 times. So we will begin I is equal to 1 through 5. Because this loop will be true for 5 times, and on 6th time this will become false, so we will add a 1 with the last index of sigma. Within the body of the loop we will use the same sigma without this 1. So we will set I is equal to 1 through 5, and for the last statement I is equal to 1 through 5 as well. Now we will compute its running time, or the number of steps that will be involved within this program execution. So we will multiply the cost column with the times column, and then we will add the result of each of the statements. So the result will be the total running time of the entire program or entire algorithm. So using this method we will get the first statement cost is 1 and times is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 plus, for the next statement the cost